You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Items provided by Redwood Ventures for review.
Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Today, Alyse and I are going to check out a fresh batch of Smooshy Mushies.
Yes, but we do need to say thanks to Redwood Ventures for sending us this awesome box full of Smooshy Mushies.
And we don't know exactly. We took a sneak peek in there.
Yes.
Because we had to make sure there was no paperwork or anything that we couldn't show on camera. Mm-hmm. And then what it's telling us on the outside, we have some Series 3, but it says 4 Series 3 cones, 3 Series 3 Besties, and 4 bonus swag bags. Now, the whole box is nicely themed like this. You can go to SmooshyMushy.com for more information. We always put links in the description. We've been doing Smooshy Mushy since they first came out. So this is our third or fourth video. They even have all of these Smooshy Mushy facts right there. And then different sets. We've done the bento boxes. We've done all kinds of fun Smooshy Mushies. Now let's check out what's inside the box so we can show everybody. You excited?
Yes.
I am excited. Here we go. Inside our box. And a 1 and a 2. And it even looks like it's got a wood grain on it, doesn't it? And so let me ask you this question. I know I've interrupted our openings before. Are you excited to check these out?
Really excited.
All right, here we go. And a 1 and a 2 and a 3. Shoo. Ooh, what's that? Ice cream cones, deluxe smushy.
Have a Smooshy Mushy ice cream party on us.
Well, that was very nice of them. On the eve of the town's annual ice cream party, the Smooshy Mushies snuck into the local ice cream shop in search of new sweets to fill their tummies. They found themselves stuck in their favorite creamy flavor, strawberry, mint grape, and bubblegum. Luckily, their besties are always there to help them out, even if it does cause some mischief and messes. All right. Okay, nothing on the back of that. Let's start picking in here. Let's see, we got these special packs here. SmooshyMushy.com. Oh, so smushy, oh, so squishy. Now, I'm not sure if these are officially available for retail. It might be just something special that they sent us, but I thought they said 4 packs. Did they say 3 packs or 4? Oh, 4 packs. So we got 4 bonus packs. All right. And then I have the little sweeties, the snackies.
Got an ice cream cone.
Okay, and then you have the 4 ice cream cones.
I just want to look at it. It looks so
I
good.
know, they do look pretty neat the way they did that. All right, there we go. 1, 2. And then the last one, go ahead and grab that. Set them all out in front. Okay, so what we have here are the
blue and
4 Series 3 cones, which you have there. I'll bring the camera down a little. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then we have 3 of these packs. Okay, so those are the 3 besties. Okay. And then 4 of the bonus packs.
Yes.
All right. So that is everything in this little collection. Now we are going to come back. We will decide what we're going to open, what we might save to add to our collection that we have back to Series 1, and then we'll check them all out. All right, Alyse, we have our cones off to the side. We're going to save those for last. And then you have the munchies and the sweeties, right?
Yes.
And then I have the 2 bonus packs here. So I'm going to open up 1, and you open up 1 of yours, and I will put all of my cool-looking stickers. That's what these look like. Let's see. They're almost like a vinyl.
It's like an ice cream sandwich.
Ooh, I like that. Oh, or a cookie. I think it looks more like an Oreo type cookie, doesn't it?
Oh yeah, okay, you're right.
Oreo cookie. And then little penguin.
Inside.
And then, mine smell like vinyl. What do yours smell like? Can you smell anything?
Yes, it smells like grape.
Grape. Interesting. All right, and then each of these are almost holographic. They've got little color variances on them, and they change. All right, that's my pack.
Do you want to open this one?
Yeah, you open up that. I'll open up that.
There you go.
This is the pack. All right, Smooshy Mushy Series 3, ages 6+ sweeties. Just peel this back. Ooh, yes, I got another cookie. Very vanilla. Mine's vanilla scented. So you got a different set of stickers or the same?
It looks like they're the same.
Yeah, you are right. 100% right.
Okay.
And then the same buttons. I didn't even look
No.
when I set one aside.
You got 2
And then-
times of each.
Okay, and then remember these have the little key hooks on them.
Keychains, yeah.
Yeah, and then you can just take them apart, put them through the holes. Ooh, looks like I have a hole that needs to be dug out. All right, so I'll save that for later. And then you want to just grab those off to the side? Yeah,
Yes.
bring them in. Let's see what we got. Oh, by the way, we will squish them in a little bit. Let's move these out of the way. All right, so Series 3, it says.
One more.
Okay, and then the tag. This is the creamery. Okay, what's inside? Ooh, surprise. So you have the Smooshy Pet. You have the sticker. You have the mini Smooshy ice cream cone. The big Smooshy ice cream cone. The name tag. And then the mystery bestie. 8 pets to collect. So there's 8 in this series.
Plastic on
Do you
there.
see anything to say?
See.
Open here. Wait, there might be one right here.
Where?
I
Here?
kind of see it like a break in the plastic here. No?
Maybe you should cut it.
Yeah, I'm trying to avoid that. That
Okay.
is the next phase. I'm trying to see if we can do without that,
Yeah.
but I guess not.
Okay.
See if you can start that. Pull like down on an angle and
Oh, came right off.
okay. That is a cool looking cone too. I really like the cone. There's more in your lid. It's hiding in there.
Okay.
Flip your lid over.
Yes. Got some more here.
I mentioned, is the cone, is a soft cone or the inside cone a hard cone? The inside one.
Oh, the inside. It's a hard cone. I think
Okay.
it has the keychains in it. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I get to open up one now. Voila! Ooh! Yes.
Nice.
Okay, what did I get in here? I got my
There's
cone,
the name tag. What's this?
and then there's
Right.
the pamphlet. Okay, so you can fold them to make shapes. So you can make a little animal here. So that's the same one? And underneath I have, what did you have in your little pack? Oh, there's my sticker. Is that your sticker too? Did you get a sticker in there?
Where is it? I don't see one.
It's not under your paper?
I don't think it is.
No.
It's stuck to him. It's not stuck to him.
Okay, and here is my little bestie. Look at that. Squishy. Oh, so squishy. Oh, wait. No one opened this one. Oh, here's an ice cream sandwich with 3 flavors.
Yummy.
Ooh, look at this
Ooh,
guy.
Audrey would like that one. That's a penguin.
Yeah. That's one of her favorite little things, huh? And mine was like the sticker was right on top. Yours is over to the side.
Really? Oh,
Yeah.
whoopsies.
Yeah, and that tells you which one you get.
Okay.
And then
So-
I'm going to leave that in there. And let's see what this
Is that
is.
Faye?
Yep. Faye
Faye
Froggy
Froggy
and
and
Wendy
Wendy
Wafer.
Nice.
And then I got
Peggy Penguin and Sunny Sunday. That one is.
Sunny Sunday. Wait, that's
No,
not a
that one.
Sunday.
Well,
what
that
is
one
that?
goes to that one.
Okay. This one?
Where's that one? No.
Oh, this one
that
here.
one's probably going to be in there, yeah. There you
Oh,
go.
this is from the first opening.
Yeah.
I got them all mixed up.
And those two, that's Mimi Monkey and Robbie and Rainbow.
Robbie and Rainbow. Let's see. Robin Rainbow, yeah.
Okay, Robin. Right.
Oh, the best part is squishing.
Ooh,
Okay.
this one squishes really.
So we've seen the cones. We've seen everything that comes with them. Let's clear it all out and just do a little squishing like we've done in the past. We always do some squishing and then we watch them expand. So let's do that.
All right.
All right, Alyse, are you ready to squish
Very ready.
our squishy mushy?
Yes.
Which one do you want to squish first? Oh, by the way, did you show them the tags that came with them?
Yes, I did.
Okay, and then you've seen all the items that come with these, but the funnest part, I think, besides opening them, is squishing them, which we're going
Yes.
to do now. The little ones, they squish, and they will expand. Let's see if we can just squish some of the smaller ones, and then we'll get them out of the way, because the bigger ones tend to squish more. Look at that. and they come right back to what they were. Let me do them all.
This one is like a hard squish, so it kind of goes
Yeah, because it's got a different shape to it
Here
here.
you go.
Let me just squish them all, and then we will watch them. All right, so those are the little ones. Now, the fun ones. All right, so you squish yours, I'll squish these two, and then we'll put them in the center, and we'll see how they grow. Are you ready? Go.
I think mine grows the slowest.
Hard to tell.
Which is
They were all
nice.
pretty close. All right, now I'm just going to see if I can get it to grow straight. Yeah, you got to do this, watch. There.
And they all have ice cream on top of their
Yes,
heads.
they're all ready to enjoy a scoop of ice cream.
I would like that right now, too.
Yeah, I know. All right, so let me just do one at a time, real close, so everybody can see it real good. Squish. Pretty nice, huh?
Yeah. Very stress relieving.
Stress relieving, she said. Well, look at him.
Yeah.
Now, he's under a
eyes
lot of
pop
stress, and then all of a sudden he's like, I'm ready to relax. Oh, I feel so much better now. Gribbit, like that.
Yeah.
All right, let's see if I can do all three. Give me that one.
Okay, here you go.
How's the smells to you?
Smell good.
Smell good.
Yeah.
For me, it's hard to really pick out a scent. I can't say, oh, that smells exactly like that. It just smells sweet and refreshing and tasty all
I
in
think
one.
the ice cream smell the
There we
same,
go.
right? As well.
That was good, huh?
Yeah.
One more time, and then we'll wrap it up. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. We do appreciate it. We'll put links to those other videos. Oh, we didn't squish down all the way. Of our first two videos in the channel, in the description. And as always, thanks for watching Lucky Penny Shop. Are you ready?
Yes.
Later!
Bye.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave,
What's up, Butch?
make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.